Hi, my name is Christy, and I am here to go over the Anker USB-C Hub 5-in-1, and we are on Thomas Tech, so make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. So the Anker USB Hub 5-in-1, it is very affordable. It's a 4K HDMI output at only 30 hertz refresh rate, can mirror or extend your display, and only one USB-A 3.0 port, 5 gigabytes, and then the other two are USB-A 2.0, and that's like better for the keyboards, the mouse, or like the slower accessories. So if you want that faster speed, you're going to want to plug it in too, which we'll get to this, the 3.0. The hub consumes 10 watts of power, either from the device or the power adapter, and then a maximum of 100 watts power adapter input would only charge a device at most 90 watts. There's no charger is included, and it works on Windows and Macs, not on Linux. So it should work on your USB-C iPhones and iPads, and it has a 18-month warranty. Yay! Who doesn't like to have a warranty in case something breaks? Anyways, the Anker, let's open up the box and let's see what we got. Here we go. Let's try to open this without me destroying it. All right, success. Me and opening stuff lately, it's not been great. Struggle with. All right. Actually, you wouldn't think it would be. This is very small. It's like a smaller, compact device to take with you. Like it's easy to fit just about anywhere. So that's nice. You get all this crap off of it. All right. Everything's sticking to me over here. And got my lovely Mac Air over here to do some demonstration. I think you can just slide this right off. I hate all this plastic. There we go. Got it. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Okay? It's got the one cord to it. So obviously this is USB-C. It's going to attach into the computer. You see here where it says the USB ports, USB-C ports. And it's actually got 2 ports in this computer. So anyways, there, it's just a fun fact. So then once it's plugged in there, you have all your little pieces here. You've got different pictures that tell you where it should go. These are your 2.0, your slower charges, and they actually give you a picture of a keyboard or a mouse to show you that this is where the recommended spot should be. And then on the other one, it gives you the 5 gigabytes telling you this is your 3.0, so this is where you want your cord to go for your faster streaming and things like that, the one that you're going to plug in. And then you have your HDMI, which, obviously you can do to plug in, to connect to the computer, to your TV, those kinds of things. So this is super, super helpful for all those things. And then this section is for your charge. You want to put power to it. This is your charging spot. Okay, so those are all the functions for that. This is how it would normally go, obviously in the piece. And then whatever your other thing is, you're going to use one of these inputs. So, that's pretty much it for this one. This is a very simple one. It's going to be super easy to use. And they're not expensive, so you can get more than one of these. Just have them laying around the house. So thank you for watching. And again, this is Thomas Tech, and I want to make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.